Welcome to DGSys, your gateway to advanced industrial robotics, autonomous vehicles, and smart automation deployment from DGW.ai. Our mission is to update, upgrade, and integrate your operations, from hardware to workflows, delivering real ROI and operational excellence. In our ecosystem, DGSys designs it, DGSys builds it, and DGW Brain powers it, together, creating fully connected, data-driven operations. Disconnected systems create bottlenecks and revenue loss. DGSys breaks these barriers by integrating robotics, vehicles, and digital twins. DGSys builds and integrates industrial robotics, automated vehicles, hospitality automation, interactive experiences, and remote operations, all seamlessly managed by DGW Brain. Every deployment begins with thorough data assessment and site validation, ensuring precision alignment with your operational goals. DGSys then deploys cutting-edge hardware and robotics, from autonomous forklifts and welding cells to automated kitchens and interactive entertainment systems, all optimized in real time. Systems integration is at the core of DGSys, connecting every machine, every vehicle, every operator, and digital twin under one intelligent hub. DGW Brain powers it all, managing, supervising, and optimizing every deployment with live data-driven insights and continuous improvements. DGW Brain is not a concept, it's real, driven by robust system code and proven architectures that ensure reliability and performance across every sector. Our work in the field brings real-world precision. DGCNC delivers automated milling, welding, cutting, and finishing in metalwork and GRC factories. DGSort brings vision-guided bin-level sorting systems for logistics, recycling, and last-mile operations. Accurate, reliable, and fast. DG Move powers autonomous forklifts, yard trucks, and port vehicles, synchronizing every movement for seamless logistics. DG Tele brings remote and semi-automated construction operations to life in rugged environments, ensuring safe, connected control. In the world of hospitality, DG Cafe redefines dining with robotic baristas, pizza makers, and smart tray handlers, reshaping service and speed. DG Play offers smart, interactive entertainment, from robotic chess and simulators to basketball challenges, selfie stations, and digital darts, bringing new life to schools, retail spaces, and events. Our deployments deliver measurable impact, up to 40% productivity improvement, 30 to 40% scrap reduction, and payback within 12 to 24 months. We have real deployments that showcase factories automated, warehouses optimized, and hospitality venues transformed by robotics and AI. DGW Brain enables continuous KPI tracking and real-time optimization, ensuring measurable ROI and operational excellence in every deployment. We chart a 3 to 5 year journey to smarter, future-ready growth, laying a clear, achievable roadmap tailored to your needs. As we move into our Legacy and Innovation Showcase, you'll see firsthand how our technology has been applied in real-world environments. In factories, our solutions have reimagined workflows, automating production lines, integrating predictive maintenance, and creating new standards for quality and efficiency. In warehouses, we've deployed automated forklifts, real-time tracking systems, and digital twins that ensure precision and speed in every operation. In hospitality, we've transformed dining experiences, making robotic coffee and cocktail stations a reality in hotels and restaurants, creating immersive, efficient service that elevates the customer experience. Our projects span major clients and diverse industries, from metal fabrication leaders using DGCNC for perfect welding and cutting, to recycling firms boosting ROI through DGSort's intelligent bin sorting, to logistics hubs adopting DG Move to automate container and pallet movements seamlessly. We've partnered with global players in construction, leveraging DG's remote-controlled operations to minimize safety risks and drive efficiency in challenging environments. Our technology is live in real urban spaces and large-scale industrial complexes, delivering measurable results and enabling smarter operations every day. Here are some highlights of our legacy of proven deployments, dynamic pilots, and forward-thinking proof-of-concept projects that push the boundaries of what's possible. They showcase real operations, robotic arms at work in active metal workshops, autonomous vehicles navigating complex warehouse corridors, hospitality venues welcoming robotic baristas and pizza makers, and construction zones where DG's rugged control modules keep operations moving no matter the weather or terrain. Every snapshot is a story of transformation, of turning challenges into opportunities, and of empowering teams and industries to operate with newfound precision, safety, and intelligence. They represent our unwavering commitment to building robust, intelligent, and fully connected systems that deliver real, measurable value, wherever your operations are and wherever they need to go next. At DGSys, we are your trusted partner for end-to-end deployments and real-world results. Ready to guide you at every stage, let's digitize the world together. Powered by DGSys strategy, built by DGSys integration, and driven by DGW Brains intelligence. Reach out to us at DGW.ai or visit www.DGW.ai. Let's explore the next phase of your digital transformation journey.